Want to learn how to check your graphics card in Windows 10? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. For starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So, to check the type of graphic card that you have in your Windows 10, there are two of the ways. The first one is to right-click on the screen anywhere. You can just make a right-click and then tap on display settings. As you do it, this kind of screen will appear. You need to scroll down and tap on advanced display settings. As you do it, you have an option of display adapter properties for display 1. Tap on it. As you do it, you can see the type of graphic card below adapter type, that is Intel R SD Graphics 5500. My graphic card is currently Graphics 5500. So this is how you check the type of graphic card you have, and below you can see all of the adapter information related to chip type, tag type, adapter string, BIOS information, and the list goes on. So this is how you check your graphic card from the first way. And the second way is to right click on the bottom left corner. You can see an option of device manager here. Tap on device manager. As you do it, you'll have an option of display adapters. Tap on it. So just below display adapter, you can see that's the graphic card again, Intel R HD Graphics 5500. So here's the shortcut to try out and read to learn the graphic card that you have. It's Graphics 5500. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.